I think that younger women today don't see the same barriers that we see or I saw. Although I was very fortunate to have a father who didn't think what I should be doing is cooking, sewing, and wearing white gloves. I actually was in the garage helping my father fix the car. The messages that younger women that are looking at career, they're getting different messages that they can do anything. They're not limited, and so because jobs as technicians are so technology driven, it's not the greasy job that it once was. Automakers, tire manufacturers, part manufacturers want to hire more women, but there is a shortage of women with the proper education, to be enrolled in those career opportunities. So that's one of the things that I'm very, very happy to say that I participate in raising a lot of scholarship money for women seeking careers in automotive.